Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel 1-2 Step. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to unfollow on Twitch. So it's very simple. First of all, you need to go to any browser you want. Here I have Chrome browser, so I'm going to this. So right after that, you need to just type twitch.tv in the search bar. So this is the platform that arrives when you click on the twitch.tv, and right after that, here in the search bar of the Twitch, just search the account that you want to unfollow. And here I have followed this account. Just click on this, and here you are able to see this person's file. So to unfollow this account, you just need to click on this love sign which indicates unfollow. So click on this unfollow, and it says unfollow Storman. You will no longer receive notification or see them in your followed channel list. So click on the yes unfollow. So in this way, you can just unfollow on Twitch account. Thanks for watching the video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe the channel and do not forget to hit the like button. Thank you.